Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to take a quick look at how to lower a headsail. I learned this method while sailing in the high winds of San Francisco Bay. You can use this technique with any headsail with a clew which lies forward of the mast. This includes working jibs, storm jibs, or staysails. Here we are using a working jib, and note how the clew lies forward of the mast. Both the working sheet and lazy sheet have been led through jib lead blocks and aft to the sheet winches. When ready to lower the headsail, ease the working sheet and take in on the lazy sheet to bring the clew of the headsail close to the mast. This helps keep the sheets and sail under good control as the foredeck crew lowers the sail to the deck. You can then lash the sail in place or remove the hanks from a hank-on headsail, bag the sail, and send it below. Now you know a fast, efficient way to lower a headsail in high winds. Use easy tips like these to keep you and your sailing crew safe and sound on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.